Hey everybody, do you like free stuff? Well, let's do this. This is the amount of wood I have left. I had 2 stacks about that high, and then another half a stack at my brother's house until I ran out of wood. I had to go get it, bring it in. But I got this wood on auction on KBid, $380 after fees. I had 2 stacks that high and a third stack, 380 bucks. I'm going to show you some pictures real quick. I made a few things to sell. I made 380 bucks. So basically the rest of this was free. So anything else I made was profit. So I figured I needed some new tools. So I got myself new DeWalt drill combo set, still plastic and the plastic. I sold 3, I made 3 tables, and I sold for 175 bucks each. This only cost 1 table. So you got to think about it that way. Buy some wood, pay off your wood with a project, then make a few other small projects. Bankroll your projects. I just got done doing my ceiling movie room for free. It was a $460 project. I sold a garbage enclosures, 2 of them, sold for $400. I sold another table, $175. I sold some American flags. I'm telling you, I'm on a roll with this stuff. You have to sell stuff. Start small. Another thing I did is you have to figure when you're buying things, still got the auction tags on them. Auctions are a great option for getting stuff for cheap. I got this mortiser drill for like $100, 120. This bandsaw, I got both of them for about $180. And this alone, you don't even know. This costs a lot of money. I looked up these safety switches. If I were to take that off and sell it, these safety switches cost like $300-400 bucks. So made money right there. But anyway, I bought those. I knew I had to make a few wood projects out of my free wood to buy those for me. So I'm still not in the hole anything. You know, I have a full-time job. I'm a physical therapist assistant. I'm not going to keep pouring a bunch of money into my woodworking until I get something going or get this YouTube going. But I just need to let you guys know my thought process on how is this hobby? How are you going to keep putting money towards this? You know, I'm making videos on woodworking, on steaks, on cooking, on home fix-its, things like that. The truth of it is, it's all being bankrolled by this wood. So get online, try to find some wood, or just go to the store, see if you can find a good sale. Buy a whole bunch of wood, pay it off with 1 or 2 projects, and then just bankroll a bunch of things together with the wood that you have left over. It worked for me. I plan on keep on doing it over and over again. This wood's lasted me 4 years now, so a long time. So I don't choose projects that take up a lot of wood with not good return. During this video, I'm flashing through certain projects I've made, what I've sold them for, so you know I'm not full of it. So continue to watch. I'll keep giving you ideas on things you can do, save money, or just make things to keep, because I do a lot of that too. I made nightstands, bed frame, shelving, acoustics for my theater room. And again, hardly any, if any, is actually coming out of my pocket. A lot of it's coming from what I've already sold from my wood. So anyway, I thought I would share that with you. I haven't been making a lot of videos recently since doing my basement ceiling. That took about a month and a half, so I've just kind of taken a little bit of time off. But give me some ideas for the next project I can tackle. I don't know. I want to do some shelving in my kids' playroom, because there's toys just all over the place. So I think it's going to use up a good chunk of wood actually to do that. And then maybe I'll take you along with the next time I buy a whole bunch of wood on an auction or somewhere on Craigslist. So talk to you later, and together, let's do this. Thanks for watching.